Hello traders. Today is Sunday. I was thinking to make a video on how I use the higher time frame to give me a confirmation and go to the smaller time frame. I think the multi time frame is very important. You need a higher confirmation, and also you need confirmation higher time frame, so you can go to the smaller time frame to give you another confirmation, right? So this last week, this is the support and resistance, and you can see here bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. Okay, forming a rejection area here. We are forming a support area here, and you can see also that this candle beautifully rejected this area and this area and come back to the downside here. This just gives another confirmation or higher probability that we are going to the downside, and we did go to the downside. So the higher time frame is very important. If you're not watching higher time frame and you're not profitable, I think you should start watching higher time frame. The smaller time frame is just kind of another confirmation. Let me give you an example here. Let's say you just watch 4-hour candle, right? You're not watching the smaller time frame. And on the higher time frame, you want to go short here because we are rejecting very hard this area and this area. Look at this candle, how it's closing, right? So let's say you're just using only 4-hour candle and you think, oh, I can go short here, and you do go short, and it goes to the support and you make money, right? And you didn't use any smaller time frame. So why do you use smaller time frame then? If you can just trade like from the higher time frame, it's because the smaller time frames gives you another confirmation that we are going to the downside. You can use an indicator or a price action. I prefer price action to give you another confirmation. Oh, we are going to the downside. This high probability we are going to the downside. And we do go to the downside, and we bounce back up to this rejection area again. And you're just using 4-hour chart, and you'll see, okay, this candle is forming like this. I'm going to take another short or put, and we did go back again to the downside. So every candle is 4-hour. This is pre-market and after market or wherever in the market when market opens, but it doesn't matter. When you have a confirmation and it's rejecting or bouncing from the support, you can see on the candle, right? You can see on the candle. It gives a lot of information. This rejection and this rejection of 4 hours is giving a lot of information that we are going to the downside. And here too, we are going to the bounce. This is bouncing, and we pushed back up, and we come back down, and we push back up. We didn't go all the way to the rejection area, but we did get close enough, and then boom, we broke the support, but we bounced back. So then you have another support here. Okay, we bounced from this area. I'm not watching the time or what's happened all the way back here, but this information is enough for me to understand, okay, we bounce from this support area here, so and we come back and look at this candle. This is supporting again on the same area. We bounce many times, boom, and again look at this candle. It's telling us, oh, we are going to the upside. It's high probability we are going to the upside, right? And we pushed back up, and we come back and tested this area here, and we push back up again. Simple as that. Don't make it too complicated. You can use any, like I said, indicator or any whatever strategy you have. But on the higher time frame is telling you we are going to the upside. Don't go against the trend. Don't play downside when you're going back to the support here. When the 4-hour candle is closing over the support or under the support, yeah, when we break this, yeah, it did take a while. It did take a few days before we broke this level again. So tomorrow or Monday, yeah, I'm watching. What I'm watching for, I don't know. I'm just playing the same support and resistance, right? So if we close when the market opens and we closing over the 4-hour candle is closing over the support area here, right? Yeah. Also watch for the round number. Round number is very important. This is 5650. This is a whole number, right? 50 is a whole number, psychological number. So it's very important to watch for this too. The whole number is very important. Like 50 and like 5700 and 5750. Every $50, every $50 is like a bigger psychological number you should watch, and every $10 is also important to watch, but keep it to 50. It's better, or you have a lot of lines, a lot of every $10 you have a line. So it's keep it clean and let the chart do the work. Let price action tell you where we're going. So this is simple thing I watch for. So if we opens tomorrow, if we open here, I will go to the smaller time frame to give me another confirmation. Okay, we are going to the upside. If we close the 4-hour candle close here, it gives me another confirmation. Okay, this is high probability. We will go to the downside, and I will go to the smaller time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute, whatever you prefer, to the downside. You are looking for the downside. Oh, but we went to the upside. So what? It's okay. It went to the upside. If you go to the upside here and 4-hour candle close again, you watch for the downside again. So it's okay if you miss a move. Don't that move ruin your trading day, right? You should always have a plan, and if something goes against your plan, don't trade. It's simple. Just sit out, take the next day, wait for next day, and do the same thing again, and keep repeating. The market is doing the same thing over and over again. You just need to follow that. If you start going against the trend, and you will get fucked every time. So you need to, like I said earlier, I'm repeating this. Wait for 4-hour candle to close, and if we close below, and this is pre-market, wait for market to open. Don't trade in the pre-market, it's low volume. So, but you can use pre-market as another confirmation, right, to give you a direction where we are going. So you can have a high probability trade. Yeah, this is a small video. I hope you understand that how you should use the 4-hour or higher time frame to give you a confirmation on what to watch for, which direction to watch for. Because this is simple, but I use a lot of time to understand that as simple as this can you can start making money, and don't need to do it complicated. Thank you guys, and use if you want to support this recording or video or whatever, use my Apex code again to support, and I will make more videos related to trading, or how and what I see or use in my daily and intraday chart. I will make intraday chart too later. Thank you.